Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining me. On this episode of Build Your Own, we're going to take a first look at the new 2020 Lincoln Continental Coach Door Edition. Before we do, however, I just want to remind you that if you find this review helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Lincoln will build just 80 examples of its $110,000 2020 Continental Coach Door Edition this year. The Coach Door Edition builds off the top-level Continental Black Label with 6 extra inches of wheelbase, resulting in generous rear seat accommodations. Backseat riders will enjoy a fixed center console with hideaway tray table and tablet holders. Adjustable seats, as well as a second set of audio and climate controls, add a bit of comfort and convenience to the already roomy rear seat area. Every Coach Door Edition is powered by the Continental's largest engine, a 3-liter twin-turbocharged V6 with 400 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque on tap. Suicide doors are a nice historical nod to the Lincoln Continentals of yore. The rear-hinged doors first appeared on the 1961 Continental, and the limited edition 2020 model launches as Lincoln celebrates its 80th anniversary. Of course, as I said, the 2020 Lincoln Continental Coach Door Edition is expensive. Lincoln says the cars cost slightly north of $110,000, which is a full $40,000 more than the base price of a standard wheelbase Black Label model. But seeing as how the first 80 examples sold like hotcakes, I don't foresee Lincoln having trouble moving another round of expensive Continentals, as they say they will do another limited run. Okay, let's just take this quick first look review of this 2020 Lincoln Continental Coach Door Edition. I actually kind of stumbled across this thing yesterday, and I got to thinking today, hey, I want to take a closer look at this. So Lincoln doesn't really have much to say about it. It sounds like it's really just a Lincoln Continental Black Label that has suicide doors because, well, it has the same engine, and I'm sure it gets every possible amenity, right? They call this the Encore Edition. And so, yeah, it's going to have everything. It was a limited edition run of 80 vehicles costing just over $110,000, and all 80 of the first run edition is spoken for. They don't have much to show on this page, unfortunately, but let's take a look at these, well, handful of gallery images that they do have, and, well, they have a little information under each one. So, what are they going to tell us? Lines that point to the horizon. The Lincoln Continental Coach Door Edition shown here in chroma crystal blue. So they're letting us know at least one of the exterior colors. And here you go. This is the back seat. This is what it's all about, really. This whole fully back side, this whole instrument cluster, this whole dash, the center console that comes all the way to the back of this Lincoln Continental Coach Door Edition. So not only do you have the suicide doors that are rear hinged, you have this whole rear suite console, right, with wireless charging and a tray table. And yeah, it's pretty nice, isn't it? I guess now would be a good time to say, you know, I did a build and price configurations review of the 2018 Lincoln Continental. That's all the different trim levels and configurations. And seeing as how they didn't really do many updates in 2019, the 2018 Lincoln Continental is very relevant to this Lincoln Continental Coach Door Edition. So I'm going to put a link up in the corner right now to my Lincoln Continental configurations review from 2018. Okay, check this out. This is really beautiful here. It says your Lincoln Continental Coach Door Edition comes crafted with a personalized inscription nestled prominently in the rear suite console. And look here, they can show the radio station. I see a couple of USB ports down here. It's nice. What do we got? A few more slides to go. Here they're talking about the exterior illumination. We can see that underneath the side mirror here and underneath the door handles, it's illuminating the ground right outside, right in front of, or right on the side of the Continental. I think they call them puddle lights sometimes. Another unique feature, of course, of the Lincoln Continental Coach Door Edition, because, well, you're getting an extra 6 inches of wheelbase, right? Yeah, you get an elongated wheelbase with both ingress and egress that makes it effortless. So, yeah, especially for your rear seat occupants. And you know what? Looking at this photo, The car is gorgeous. It really is, from every angle. Okay, last but not least, slide 7 to 7. It says that the 2020 Lincoln Continental Coach Door Edition was designed with center opening doors in homage to the 1939 original. Okay, so there are 3 other slides actually, and like I said, what's cool is there's a little bit of information underneath each one, which is great because otherwise the page doesn't say a whole bunch. But what they're going to tell us is that the door sills, which are right here, the door sills are the kick plates when you open the door. They're aluminum and they're serialized and they're embossed with your edition number. Expansive center opening doors turn your arrival into occasions. The Lincoln Continental 80th Anniversary Coach Edition was designed to be enjoyed but also cherished. Actually, in this slide, although it looks just like that other one we just looked at, they're really talking about the wireless charging that's down here. They say the rear suite console with wireless charging and tray table, and yeah, is personalized with their inscription. So they just give a little more information. And yeah, that wireless charging is down here, I believe. So what else? There says superior style and service. As an owner of the Continental Coach Door Edition, you'll enjoy a Lincoln Black Label membership that includes a host of exclusive benefits and privileges. So yeah, interesting car. They don't really have much to say. We can't do a build-in price. I guess it's just a special model. They come probably pretty fully loaded. They say handcrafted interiors, center opening doors, right? We know it gets the Black Label membership. Yeah, so that's it. This is the 2020 Lincoln Continental Coach Door Edition 80th anniversary. The thing's just north of $110,000. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up because I don't really have any more information on it. But if you have more information on it, please let me know in the comments below. Other than that, if you found this review helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Other than that, I'm going to tell you to have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the very next video.